I just wanted to talk about this pickleball set for a moment. The set comes with 4 paddles. It also includes a carrying bag, and it has an adjustable strap so you can carry it like a backpack. It includes 2 indoor balls, which are the green ones, and 4 outdoor balls, which are the yellow ones. The paddles itself come in 2 different colors, 2 blue and 2 green. It did work for us very well, since we have 4 players in the family. The paddles are good quality, and they will last for quite a while. I would say that they are from beginner to intermediate. I played with one of those paddles for about 6 months, and I loved it. The paddle surface is smooth and very forgiving and balanced, especially in front of the net. They are 8 inches wide, 15 inches long, and they weigh 7.62 ounces. I love the handle because it has a nice length to it and is wrapped with soft leather. It fits in my hand perfectly. I also like the way they look and mostly how easy they are to play with. If you are looking for a set of good paddles, look no further. They are easy to store in the bag. You can just throw them in the back of your car if you want to. And then you can start playing immediately since there are balls included. I can recommend this set to anyone who wants to start playing pickleball.